Hello, my name is Dr. D.S. Mishra. Welcome to the second session of my lecture on Chapter 4, titled Major Ancient Indian Scientists, from the book prescribed for the students of BCom, BSc, BA second year. First of all, we'll be dealing with the comprehension section. In this, question and answers. First of all, we'll go through the question and answers. Question number 1. What have most Indians not included in their great heritage? Answer. Most Indians have not included science in their great heritage. Second question. How old is the evidence of scientific knowledge of the Indians? Answer. The evidence of scientific knowledge of the Indians is more than 3000 years old. Third question. Which was the golden age of science in ancient India? Answer. The golden age of science in ancient India was from the 4th century BC to the 6th century AD. Fourth question. Name the kings under whom science flowered in ancient India. Answer. In ancient India, science flowered during the regime of Mauryas, Kushans, Shakas, and Guptas. Fifth question. Name two things that were discovered around 5th century AD. Answer. The concept of zero and differential calculus were discovered around 5th century AD. The concept of zero being discovered in 5th century AD doesn't hold much ground because we know that concept of Shatak and Sahastra were in vogue. Shatak means 100 and Sahastra means 1000. Okay? Question number 6. What prevented India from becoming one of the earliest homes of modern science? Answer. Foreign invasions, that is of Mughals, Portuguese, Dutch, French and British, caused irreparable damage to the Indian thought process. And due to this, India was unable to participate in Renaissance. This prevented India from becoming earliest homes of modern science. Seventh question. In which sphere is India next only to the USA and USSR? Answer. In the sphere of trained technologists, India is next only to USA and USSR. USSR means Russia. Eighth question. Which Indian scientist is known as the father of plastic surgery? Answer. Sushruta is known as the father of plastic surgery all over the world. Ninth question. Which of Sushruta's book was translated into Arabic? Sushruta's book, Sushruta Samhita, was translated into Arabic as Kitab Shashun-e-Hind and Kitab-e-Shushruta. Now 10th question. What according to Charak does human body contain? Answer. According to Charak, human body contains 3 doshas, namely bile, phlegm and wind. Question number 11. What was the total number of bones in human body according to Charak? Answer. According to Charak, there are 360 bones including teeth in the human body. Question number 12. Where was Charak wrong about the human heart? Answer. Charak was wrong in his belief that the heart has only one cavity. 13th question. Which Indian scientist first used the term Parmanu? Answer. Kanad was the first Indian scientist to use the term Parmanu. 14th question. In what did Kanad take lead over other old Indian philosophers? Answer. Kanad took lead over other old Indian philosophers in his assertion that there is a variety of Parmanu as different as the different classes of substances. 15th question. What, according to Kanad, was responsible for any chemical change? Answer. According to Kanad, heat was responsible for any chemical change. Now, 16th question. Who first presented the fundamentals and techniques of yoga? Answer. Patanjali was the first person to present the fundamentals and techniques of yoga adequately. Now, 17th question. Why, according to Patanjali, one cannot see God within? Answer. According to Patanjali, one cannot see God within because one's mind is in a state of constant agitation. 18th question. What can the yogis live without for a long time? Answer. Yogis can live without water or food for a long time. 19th question. What was Aryabhatta first to say about the earth? Answer. Aryabhatta was first to say that the earth is round and it rotates on its axis, creating day and night. Now we come to the 20th question. What did Aryabhatta say about solar and lunar eclipses? Answer. Aryabhatta said that the lunar and solar eclipses occurred because of the shadows cast by Earth and Moon. Now, the 21st question. Why did Varahamihir shift to Ujjain? Answer. Varahamihir shifted to Ujjain because it was the center of learning and there were many schools of art, science and culture. Now we'll come to the question number 22. Which claim of Varahamihir is receiving attention in the scientific world? Answer. Varahamihir's claim that plants and termites serve as indicators of underground water is now receiving attention in the scientific world. Now we come to the question number 23. What were the tales that spun around Nagarjuna? Answer. Tales that spun around Nagarjuna were that he was said to be in communion with gods and goddesses. He had acquired the power to change base metal into gold. And one more, he knew the secret of elixir of life. Now question number 24th. What does Ras Ratnakar deal with? Answer. Ras Ratnakar deals with the preparation of rasas, compounds, extraction and purification of metals and alchemy. 25th question. What, according to Nagarjuna, can dissolve diamonds, metals and pearls? Answer. According to Nagarjuna, vegetable acids, sour gruels and juices of fruits and plants can dissolve diamonds, metals and pearls. Question number 26th. Name the different parts of Siddhanta Shiromani and describe what they deal with. Answer. The name of different parts of Siddhanta Shiromani are Lilavati, Bijganit, Goladhyaya and Grahganit. They deal with arithmetic, algebra, sphere and planetary mathematics respectively. Question number 27th. What did Bhaskar conceive of before Isaac Newton and Leibniz? Answer. Bhaskar conceived differential calculus several centuries before Isaac Newton and Leibniz. Now we come to the question number 28. What are Emperor Jahangir's original contributions to the natural sciences? Answer. Mughal Emperor Jahangir's original contributions to the natural sciences is that Long back in medieval period, he studied animals and birds' behaviors. He describes their various characteristics, geographical distributions, and behaviors with great accuracy. This formed base for the future naturalists. Question number 29. What human quality did Emperor Jahangir observe in Saras cranes? Answer. Jahangir found certain human qualities in Saras cranes. He observed that these birds not only love their eggs and chicks, but also each other. Question number 30. What astronomical errors did Savai Jai Singh detect? Answer. Savai Jai Singh, with the help of astrolabes, detected errors in the position of stars and moon. They were not as given in the table of Indian, Arab, and European astronomers. Question number 30. Question number 31. What did Emperor Muhammad Shah help him to do? Answer. 31. Muhammad Shah offered money so as to make various yantras that would help in the study of stars and moon, and this will lead to the rectification of the errors. Now, question number 32. What instruments did Jai Singh design? Answer. Savai Jai Singh designed Jantar Mantar, Samrat Yantra, Ram Yantra, and Jai Prakash Yantra. Question number 33. What are Jai Singh's two fundamental contributions to astronomy? Answer. Jai Singh made two fundamental contributions to astronomy. One is measurement of precision of the equinoxes, and other the obliquity of ecliptic. So this much for the question answer session.